Right guys, it's the EdShed. And remember, time's precious, waste it wisely. So if you enjoy watching my dribble, please like and subscribe, please follow me about, please make comments, please comment, please just say something. Just say it's crap. I don't care what you say, just say something. Because the algorithms love it. Anyway, so, the EdShed cart shed. So, we weighed it, 68 kilos, my assistant tells me, reliably, that's all it weighs. So, I can put my roll cage, courtesy of the swing, something of the swing, and we're going to get the roll cage on there next. So that's my welding job today. Now I don't want to make the roll cage removable, or maybe fix it, or maybe use bolts it together. I don't know. I mean, obviously, look, it's going to tip over. That'll be the end of the EdShed. If it doesn't tip over, well then you'll see we'll have done it. So the plan is get the roll cage on at exactly behind the wheel, so it's directly behind me, leaving me enough room behind me for my adornments, which you will see, and we can then obviously work out whether I'm just going to bring it to the front and tee it off and weld it on, and then I've got to go across there to the back. I'm going to possibly take these across to here just to brace that. I need to work out, put the brakes back on, get them working, check the discs they're going right way around, because I think they're in reverse. If they are, switch them over. Clean up the seat frame, put the cover on it, put the trim back on, get the two bits of fascia board that are going to go from there to there, and I just don't know what to do here. I'm just dubious as to whether to put a brace up from here to here, and then, because obviously I go down there, but I don't know. It's all a bit of an ordeal at the moment, but we'll see. We're getting there anyway, so like they say, I mean, look, it started from nothing, and it will go back to nothing. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this crap, please comment. Just say, you're risking your neck, you're mad. Say, it's not square. Yeah, you could argue that. You could say a lot of things like that it's not square. I mean, it's as square as it seems to be. Yes, we've got wear in the front kingpins, and yes, we've got play in the front keeping, so hence there are issues there, but for the minute I'm going to say that, you know, it's the best I can do given my model of the world. And if it looks as good when it's finished according to the drawings, which the eagle-eyed viewers might have spotted in the background, if you've been looking at it of course, then yeah, you'll know exactly what I'm building. Whoops, you have checked this thing. Got one more just bolt to get on there, and I think I might just do a lever for the brake, just a lever that I can shove forward with my hand. That'll lock the brakes, and I've got the foot brake. I think I've got enough brakes. Damn it, who needs brakes? Anyway, so like I say guys, if you enjoyed this, and I haven't had a drink yet, if you've enjoyed watching this and you're sort of following this, then you're going to see it hopefully when I go flying down the hill. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see how we get on. We're on to the soapbox. Now the soapbox had to have a roll cage, bloody idiots, and it had to have a harness, and it's had to have loads of stuff. So I've done it. Now what I've done is I've made a roll cage, and I've just blown my welder up. I've just blown the fuse of the welder, so I've got to try and get the welder sorted out. But what I'm going to do is this. I got a few welds to do, as you can see, like here, just brace this up. And if you're here, and I'm going to take something from, like this one from there to there, to straighten that. And then, to be honest, it's done. I changed the hubs around, they were backwards. So, in theory, the hubs will now work with the calipers. And I'm going to make a brake here. I'm going to have a lever here. Just going to put a lever on the side. I know it's not going to, I just look, to be honest, I'm so proud of it. Now, I'm also trying to work out the plan. It's like supposed to be a historical theme. Christ alive, they don't make it easy on you to get a historical theme. So, I got two sets of brakes. I got my hydraulic disc, and I got my rod brake on the drum, on the tires. And yeah, I got my roll cage. My roll cage is now, I don't know, 2 inches higher than my head, so hey, or an inch and a half. So if it rolls over, I'm gonna live. Yeah, there she is. Alright, you can see she's still on her back, can't you? You can see she's still upside down here. You can actually see that this is not It's not the way that you know, like a cart would be. But because I've blown the fuse on the welder, I can't actually do any more welding. I've got to find a fuse in the house. So what I'll do is get as much welding as I can done and get this here onto this here. Let's see there. I'm going to get this right. So this is my bump stops, and this will be. Then I got to get something from here up to here. I don't know what yet. Maybe a pillar. Maybe one of those tubes with a threaded rod. I don't know. I got something. I can find something. So that'll be that, and then we'll give it a good clean up. Find some good wheels. We haven't got a lot of help with the wheels. We've had so many people let me down, honestly. Tell you what, guys, it's like you actually don't want to win. They don't want to do it because they're all too busy. Just not want to do it. So anyway, I got to get a new rose joint for there because that's got that one there. Look, if I take it up here and show you that, look, play, look. See the play there? It's got a lot of play. See that? See the play? Can you see the bloody play? See the play? Can you see the bloody play? Yeah, right. So I think that'll let us down. So we're gonna get that thing fixed. But the rest of it, yeah, no, she's good. She's good. I'll tell you what. When I came here today, I didn't want to do this. Now I'm here, and I've had a bit of help from Nicholas. Nicholas is right now. So I'm going to say I've done it. I've done it, guys. I've done it. I don't know whether it makes any difference to you lot. Do you really care? Because it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, mate, I've done it. You're not going to be going down the hill there. I am. I'm sort of. I don't know. Anyway, we're not going to do that. But listen, we're going to weld up all the bits and pieces. We're going to get some fuses, and I'm going to try to weld as much as I can. All right. Anyway, guys. So that's it. Enough. Tim Tang. Fed up. Enough. Like, subscribe, follow us about. And remember, it could be worse, it could be you. And your time's precious, so waste it friggin' wisely. I will talk to you again. Bye for now.